What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to view your reservation receipt on Vrbo account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So in the payment section of your guest account, you can view your reservation receipt. In the same section, you have the ability to download the invoice for the service fee, which is the amount that is paid directly to Vrbo. If you need an invoice for your rental amount, you will need to request it directly from the host, since they are beneficiary of those funds. So you can access receipt for most reservations through your Vrbo account. Currently I do not have any receipts, so I'm gonna just talk you to do it. So of course, log into your account and select your name. Select My Trips from the drop-down menu and select the appropriate reservation for which you want to take your reservation receipt, and select Payments to view your receipt. If you can't access a receipt from your account, please contact the host, and basically you can download the invoice for the service fees, which is the amount to Vrbo, as I told you. But if you want a full invoice, you will need to contact the host to get it. So let's repeat the process. Click on your name, select My Trips option from the drop-down menu, and select the reservation you wish to see the receipt. Select Payments to view your receipt, and if there is an option, you can also download it to PDF to your PC or whichever device you're using. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it for today guys. See you in our future videos. Goodbye.